Crazy. Crazy.
Good afternoon, Burp Queen.
What's up, Shoe Nice?
What's going on? Happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
Slant, what are you drinking today?
Of course.
Do you have a shoezy where there's a bite mark out of the top so you got room to bite? See, that's what I'm talking about. Well, actually, that's a shorty. Keeps it cold.
I cover it up because last night I got a warning.
Wow. Oh, came on the screen?
In the comments.
That's why I only drink Diet Coke.
Yeah. I mean, this is weasel piss. This isn't even beer.
Everybody go follow the Burp Queen. How many
Actually,
people are
though.
watching you?
Oh, not many. 8. I got the new Coke.
That's what she said.
It's a
What kind is
gamer.
it?
It's like a gamer Coke. It's called the Ultimate. XP flavored.
Oh, it's like almost like double
Like
the
for gamers.
caffeine.
No, it has caffeine. It's just a flavored Coke.
Qualities.
Let's see what it tastes like. The last one was coconut. It was gross.
Yeah, I'm fine, dude. What's wrong with you, Gage?
It's really
Stop
weird.
talking to everybody.
It's like fruity. It's like anyway. Who cares?
Almost like a cherry Coke.
Maybe, yeah. Something like that.
We all just stopped by to say hi.
Alright, dude.
You gonna battle people?
Nah. Probably not.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know what that tastes like. It's so weird. I don't know. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for the rose. Roses. I love Italian food. I would love to go to Italy. That sounds amazing. Peace store. What's up, John? Take it easy. No, you called me the third time. This guy called me 3 times. Someone different. Not Shoe Nice. Shoe Nice is like a one and done usually. He moves on. My sister is working. Working at 9 to 5. Actually, working doubles. Yikes. Probably did because my internet connection sucks. What's up, goofy silly videos? What are you doing? Happy Friday. On to the next one here. actually trying the new Coke. XP flavored. Gotta get that XP, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. It's League of Legends Ultimate. I don't know, bro. What am I supposed to call this? There's so many freaking names. Like, literally. Ultimate, Limited Edition, Coca-Cola Creations, XP flavored, League of Legends. Like, what am I supposed to call it? I don't know what it tastes like. It's like fruity, though. Like, when I smell it, it smells kind of like like Coke or Coke, or maybe the two mixed together. But it tastes like XP, like Brian said. Either way, we're gonna slam it on 3, 2, 1. Hell no. It's not bad. It's not bad, but it's very sweet. Very sweet. And damn. Someone Google it and tell me what flavor it's supposed to be. Because the last one was coconut. And I still have some of those in my refrigerator. And they taste like dirt. Like dirty cola. No, John, probably not. We don't have anything planned. When we make videos, we kind of just do them on a whim when we feel like doing them, because that's what makes the best content. Like, we don't want to force ourselves to make content, you know. Man, I don't know. I don't know what to call this. I think I'm gonna stop drinking it for right now, though. I'd rather drink a beer. What's up, buddy? I'm not chugging that nasty shit. Hey, Jack, what's up? Covering up my beer because TikTok had some words for me the other day. Do I feel like getting the hiccups? No, I might. I don't know. The night's still young. I've been good. Thank you. Thanks, John. Thank you. Thank you, Burpsa. Smiley face. What's up? What's up? Everybody's popping in right now. This is our time. This is like, you know, the time I'm usually on. Stop. Oh, no. This is Bray Wyatt. This is not the Joker. This is Bray Wyatt. He is a wrestler. This was his character, The Fiend. And I sadly don't think he'll ever be back. But we love him and we miss him and all that kind of stuff. No crop top today. I'm going for a lazy Friday vibe. Burp talent. Yes. John, I'm muting you for that. It is not fake.
Oh, no, Melly, sad face.
Sprite challenge. Yeah, I'm gonna do it again right now. You ready? Sorry guys, my sister's working. Thanks for stopping by and checking in. I'm sorry. Their bodies go through a lot, okay? Whether it's fake or not, whether it's predetermined or what the fuck ever you want to say. They put their bodies on the line. They do a lot of crazy shit in the ring, and I'd love to see some of y'all fucking do that shit. And not just once, over and over and over again. I don't need a mod. Mod these nuts in your face, dude. Fucking give a shit. With peace and love. It's from just like me. Some people would just love to be a WWE superstar, though. They just want that. They just want that type of fame. I don't blame them. It's fine. We love them. It doesn't matter. Our WWE universe loves them. Yeah, call me Bubbles. Bubbles. I wish my farts were as good as my burps. They're not. What's my dog doing right now? I could practice. I don't know how I would practice that. My uncle would rip the loudest farts like anyone has ever heard. I just don't know how you do that. Who's this?
Hello, beautiful.
Hi. How are you?
What's up? I'm good.
That's good, girl. Oh, I don't battle.
What's it gonna make you accept to the question?
I think that was the girl that I met the other day that someone popped in here. It was like, she's a scammer or something. I swear that was her. Good luck, girl. I'm just gonna be over here burping. I just didn't want to disrespect her. Like, if I'm just being honest, girls don't like burping that much, so I don't go live every day, but the past couple days I've been going live, just chilling. I don't know, just coming on, have a few drinks, and then go play video games or do something else. I don't know. That Beltramere Sprite challenge. Oh, someone said it was like 10 or 11 seconds. Raisin Bread saying it's 8. Interesting. Okay. So that other one was probably longer. I don't know what my longest one is. I think it's my second YouTube video or something. I think how fast. Yeah, I don't think it was. I don't know. It's fine. It's cool. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Well, let's do it YouTube seconds. How many YouTube seconds? Maybe their time's pretty accurate. Maybe we can. I don't know. Oh, be monster, you didn't have to do that. Yay! How do I burp? Wait, your longest burp? Or someone that had an 18-second burp? That's crazy. Sneezing. I'm sorry. I haven't been sneezing today. I learned burp talk. I feel like anyone that could burp can just burp a word. But am I wrong there? I don't know. Oh yeah. okay, you did it. That's awesome. Cheers to that. Burp Johnny. That was a decent one. Sometimes I struggle. It's because I end up doing them like really high pitched, like, you know? And I can't like get it deep. Johnny. Oh, stop it. That is the sweetest thing you could have ever said. I hope you have a good night. Oh, no. Oh, no. I love this back and forth in chat. Let's keep it going. Oh, let's go. That's what's up, dude. Stop. I am literally not the only one in this community. But I do think that some girls should, like, dish out some free content every now and then. Like, I know I dish out a lot of free content. No allergies today. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Usually when I'm on TikTok live, it's not to sneeze. The sneezing just kind of comes and goes. And it's just like I don't know how to make myself sneeze. Like, maybe I can explore that a little bit. I'm sorry. I'm sorry to let you do burping ever. Oh, I know. Oh, yeah. He's never gonna provide free content. She's like, are you kidding me? She's like, the key to it. She would never provide free content. I put it out there for her. But I'm just saying, like, other people, like, there's a lot of free content of Katie and I already out there. I'm just saying for, like, some, like, other girls, make a YouTube account, throw some YouTube videos up, and even if it's like, Jack, yes, you do. You do. I don't take it seriously at all, but what I do is have fun. If you're not having fun, you shouldn't be doing it. Because you can tell. Dude, I don't care. I'm just saying, like, you want people to really buy your shit and respect you. Throw some free content out there for everyone to see, not just, like, you know. But hey, maybe I am going at it the wrong way. Maybe I shouldn't speak because much because I don't need the money. So my sister has free content on my YouTube page. And no free solo content. Although, wait, she does have like Twitch stuff, but it doesn't save or something? I don't know. Or it saves for like 30 days? I don't know how that works. Weirdo. But goodbye. I will talk to her about it. I mean, I mean, a lot of her content's only $10, so it's like not a lot. Just saying, it's not a lot of money. Bubbly and deep, nice. I can like squish it, like. I know I look so dumb. I don't know if anyone's watching. People have been like, where can I buy the hiccup video? And I add them. I add them on TikTok to DM them so I can be like, hey, this is where it's at. But they don't seem to like want to like add me back or so they could message me, and I don't know, like if anyone wants to know where that video is, just let me know. That's a lot. Okay, uvula, backwards, wet burps. That's like very descriptive, very like, like let me clear my throat. It actually smells like pizza, and I also had like peanuts like right before while I was waiting for the pizza to cook. So it's like peanuts with pizza mixed in, and I'm drinking beer, so there's that too. And whatever this fucking Coke is. Has anyone seen this shit? This new flavored Coke? XP flavored. Everybody, it's Manuel's birthday, and he's up his name. He always says it's his birthday, and he always needs his name burped. Manuel. And we do it for free every time. Manuel. Not your real name. I'm not burping that username. Oh, yeah, I know, but let's fingers crossed. I think the mailman's here. Welcome back. Shun, I sent you. Thank you. Welcome. Welcome. Just, you said us, though. You said us. Where's everybody else? Burp contest with Izzy. She's banned from going live, so unless she's here in person, I literally can't do it. Unless we set something up, like maybe like a Skype or something. Everyone's here. Great. Let's go. What's your name? Daniel?
Daniel. Daniel. Daniel.
Thank you. Jack, I don't know, man. I just like don't. Another day, maybe another day. I think I'm in the mood to just do some solo shit right now. Right now, today. Anyway, I'm just saying. There's something on my foot. Bye, Manuel. Nice seeing you. Happy birthday, buddy. Colt. Okay, I'll do a big one for Colt. But he has to follow me on YouTube. I don't give a shit about TikTok. It's like I can get 4K over here, but I can't get 4K on YouTube. Also, tell him to get my watch numbers up. I was kidding. My watch hours. I'm just joking. I'm just totally joking on it. I got you, Colt. I see you. I hear you. Let's practice Colt. Colt. Can you burp and say, ooh, Jess, that was gross? No. I don't burp for anybody to edit or manipulate my shit. So anyone could do it anyway, but I'll give you a fucking reason to right off the bat. Was that a gross burp? I tried. Colt. Okay, I got one for Colt coming. Colt. I don't know. That name is really hard to burp because it only sounds like I'm old. That's all it sounds like I'm saying. It's like Colt. Colt. I don't know. That's a hard one. But there you go. Anyway, what's going on over here? Oh, so sweet. No, I've done it other ways. It's not like that. Whoever sent me that message, you're probably not watching right now, but it's not like that. Because I'll just hang on to it until you give me the money. Like, it's not a big deal to me. But that being said, you guys probably don't know what I'm talking about. So and he loved all of them. Oh, nice. Hell yeah. Yes. It doesn't matter, the story. But anyway, I just got this DM, so somebody's trying to, like, teach me a lesson. I was like, dude, I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna teach you a lesson. How about that? Dang, we're like on fire. I don't know. I don't know. I don't mind going live. It is fun. It's funny. It can be funny. Let's answer a call. Let's just like, well, I have one more beer to drink, but let's answer some calls. I haven't been answering the calls because they're people from the Middle East, and I just don't. I get so many of those calls that I'm trying to stop answering them, so I don't get them anymore. And it's with peace and love, like it's with all the peace and love in the world, but they usually I just don't want to disrespect them. I'd rather get somebody else. Am I attracted to burps? No, I just like doing it. It's fun. It's funny. I have fun. That's it. How did I get into the burp stuff? I just wanted to burp, like, ever since I was a little girl. So I just taught myself how to do it, and now I'm really good at it, and I'm breaking world records, and yeah, here we are. Let's drink a little bit more of this so we can just kind of like get some bubblies mixing up together, and yeah. And if I'm being honest, when I used to think of TikTok as teenagers dancing and lip syncing horribly to lyrics, and then I saw the funny sides of TikTok, and then I saw like disturbing sides of TikTok, and now I'm like borderline disturbing and a fetish community, right? And like I don't know how I landed there. I never even would have thought, but when I did, I was like, okay, that's fine. Yes, this is it's it's like slightly fruity. It's like really sugary. If I had to say, I would say it's like vanilla and cherry Coke mixed together. But no, that doesn't make sense because it's already a flavor. So it has to be something else. It reminds me of those two mixed together, though. Yeah, I mean, I don't know, dude. It's League of Legends, XP flavor. Yeah, I don't know. I've tried all of them so far, so I had to try this one. And then when I landed here, it was before this, I was just posting TikToks of like crazy shit I would see outside around my house. And like mushrooms and wildlife and like stupid shit. We had a really bad snowstorm, so I did some shit with that. And then when we did the one burp thing, it was just like on from there. I swear to God, it was like boom. It just clicked in my head, and then started like going out of their way to find my Instagram account, which is the same as this account, but they were like literally just taking a chance and going there so they could DM me and be like, yo, I am in this fetish community. Girls make bank from this. You are one of the best we've ever heard, ever. And they were just giving me pointers. They're like, this is what you gotta do. This is what you can do if you want. You don't have to. And I just started like thinking about it. And then somebody put the idea in my head that I was the loudest, and then someone else said it, and other people kept saying it, and so I decided to go for the world record, and here I am. Hopefully I'll get the world record approved within the time frame of 1 year I've been in this community, because that would just be like so dope. On my 1 year anniversary, I broke a world record. Thank you. I'm good, but I'm not the best. That's fine. That's fine. But I'm probably the loudest, and that I'm not going for the best, am I? I'm literally not saying I'm the best. People were telling me I'm the best. I never said I was the best. As a matter of fact, I think my sister is better than me and louder than me, and you're just mad because I won't smoke a fucking cigarette. You know what? Get the fuck out of my face. Ban me. I don't give a fuck, bro. Cheers to that. I actually told my sister, I was like, you should go for the world record. She's like, I don't know if I want that, like, under my reputation, or, like, under my name. I'm so young, like, I don't know what I'm gonna do with my life yet. And I was like, okay, well, just saying. And I think that might be some of the other girls, too, that feel that way. They're just like, I don't want the record. Like, for some reason, I don't know, but... the new world record? Hell yeah, me too. And if I don't, for some reason, I'll do it again, and again, and again, and again. It's all an illusion. Nothing's real. That's all. I hope I get it too. And if I don't get it for some reason, like I said, will try again. And I know exactly what to do. And I know exactly who to contact now. And it ain't gonna be a thing. It's just gonna be a whip, bam, done, bye. Here you go. But I will tell the full story later, whether after it gets approved or denied. I don't want, like, anything to be held against me. I want to run my mouth before shit becomes official. I don't want to run my mouth and then something make it not official. Like, I don't think that would ever happen. I'm just being, like, really dramatic about it and paranoid, but you never know. Before or after you hit the gritty. I don't know what that means. Am I a boomer? I don't know what that means. I had a lot of fun. Oh, thank you. Well, you have an amazing day. Thank you so much. It's crazy that you're good and you've only been practicing for a little while. Not practicing. Practicing for what? I've been burping my whole life. I've been really good at it since I was a little girl and my whole entire life. I don't think I just practicing for the world record. I mean, I always knew I was loud and everyone else knew it too. I just didn't know there was a fetish community involved with it that were so, like, about it, dedicated to it. You're so funny. That's so hilarious. I'm so sorry. Oh. Right. Okay, I get what you're saying. Well, I don't know. I like that I did it on my own, just casually, just, hey. I don't think it made TikTok better, but, or it made me better. No, it made me better, I guess. Or TikTok. Oh, yes. That's what I was about to say. Like, the fans motivated me to keep posting and, like, to actually like focus on something I was already good at and like see, yes, you're right. Other loud/talented. So I don't know too many. I literally don't know that many. I know Fizzy. I think she's great. I just know of some of the other girls. I don't really study the burps. Belching Betty's kind of funny. But I wouldn't say she's loud. Who's the other girl? Look, there's a lot of good ones. Jessica, she's tight. Who's the nature one? Belching Babe, she's tight. Oh, Manina, right? No, wait, what's her? Juliana. She's my favorite. That girl, she's my favorite, like, hands down. Like, she might be louder than me. Or, like, closer to me in volume. But, yeah, she's one of my favorite. Because I feel like she does it for the same reasons I do. I mean, she also might do it for money, but, like, she's just free spirited. She's just, like, you know, you can tell she's, like, really having fun when she does it. So I like her the most, I think. Oh, thank you for my 1 rose for the day, Stevie. I really appreciate it. Cheers to you. More than 1. Shit. Okay. Thanks for the 16 pennies. Stop. I know you need to save your money. How are you going to get to your gig on Friday? Wait, today is Friday. Every day's Friday to me, baby. Let's go. No, you cannot. Fucking moron. Oh, I got receipts. I got all the receipts you need, okay, baby? Keep it up. I got the perfect receipt. Don't make me do the green screen, alright? Don't make me do the green screen. Yeah, you better keep giving me roses, you motherfucker. Yeah, exactly. This guy's a loser. I love farts. Farts are so funny. I love them. I'm gonna sell them in a jar. Should I burp in a jar? I literally think some girl did that as a joke on TikTok. That's not real. Somebody sent me some girl was selling her burps in a jar. Is that for real? Does anybody know? Yeah, I've done with Juliana, Jessica, Fizzy. All on TikTok. We're talking about in person. Yeah, sure, you know. It's just a matter of, like, you know, when I have free time, when they have free time, planning something out. It's all part of the, you know. Oh no, it's okay. If you would like to see them, they are on my YouTube channel. They are all there. The ones with my sister, the one with Jessica, I forget her name on here. I think the one with Juliana is on here. On not YouTube, not here, I'm sorry. YouTube. Kimycola. Everywhere. All the links. Who else? Help me out. Fizzy, obviously, a couple times. But yeah. I go live with them sometimes, and if, it's good material, I'll clip it, throw it on YouTube, but apparently all the burps are good, so all the burps are good material. I'm definitely gonna have to go, guys. But I'm gonna chug this, and we'll see what's good later tonight. What are you guys doing tonight? You guys wanna hang out tonight? Take a nap, play some Call of Duty, eat some dinner, and fucking get ripped, bro. We're getting ripped tonight. What's up? You gonna be there?
Hello.
What's up? We're getting ripped tonight. You gonna be there or what? You gonna be here
I'm not
tonight?
done.
Alright, I'm out. I'll see you tonight.
I avoid them much.
Well, anyway, I'm outie. That was cool. I'm gonna go chill until tonight. I'll be back on. Tell your friends. Bye.